Hello, my name is Eleonora, and today I'll be showing you how to use scribblemaps and upload your screenshot to this Google form for the Very South Phoenix survey. So on the last bit of the survey, this is what you should see, and there is a link to scribblemaps to create your own map. So once you click on that, this is what you should see. Now here, you should go into the search bar and type Phoenix. Now here, you can zoom out or zoom back in, and you can move around as well. Now, I'll find the river here, and I'll just zoom out a little. Okay, about this, you can zoom out. If you zoom more out, you can also see the mountain. So I'm just gonna stay here. And at this point, I want to look for this option. I'm gonna click here. And now with this, I can draw the map. Now if you can click anywhere like this, and if you click more, it's gonna do it very random. One more. You can draw a map of any shape, basically. Okay, once you're done, so let's do it like this, very random. Now, if you're done, to finish, as it says here, you can either double click or X to finish. All right, and this is the map. Now, if you want to create if you want to take a screenshot for us, I would zoom out a little so you can still see the map. You can either zoom out or do it like this, whatever you choose. Then you can take the screenshot, and this really depends on what kind of laptop you have. So you have to figure out the option for taking a screenshot on your laptop. Now, once you've taken it, you see I can see my screenshot here. And now when this will go away, it will go on my desktop. Now, if it's not on your desktop, on your laptop, it may be on your downloads folder, depends. Now, once you find the screenshot, you can go back to the form and you can upload the file here where it says add file. Okay, so this is your tutorial, and thank you for taking the time to complete the survey. We really appreciate it. Thank you.